Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family's finances with Allstate. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Allstate website. Navigate to the Financial Protection section. Take a moment to explore different insurance options. Look for policies that provide coverage for your family's specific needs. Consider factors such as life insurance, home insurance, and auto insurance. Click on the Get a Quote button for the policy you're interested in. Fill out the required personal information fields accurately. Review the coverage options presented to you. Select the additional coverage features that suit your family's finances. Once satisfied, proceed to submit your application. Wait for a representative to contact you for follow-up. Discuss any questions or concerns with the representative. Upon approval, review your policy documents thoroughly. Make note of the coverage details and benefits. Set reminders for payment deadlines to maintain continuous coverage. Evaluate your family's needs annually to ensure the right protection. Consider adding policies or adjusting coverage as your situation changes. Stay informed about Allstate's resources and tools for financial management. Utilize their online account management services for convenience. This will help you manage payments and access policy information easily. By taking these steps, you can better protect your family's finances with Allstate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.